Start chopping. Okay, here we go. Guys, look at me.
Defensive guys, look at coach.
Watch coach.
Caden, you look at coach. Eyes on coach.
Justin, are you shifting? When he points that way, you turn your body this way. When he points that way, you turn your body this way. Okay?
Cody, you don't want to wrestle with him. You want to push him back and get him away from you. Okay? Okay? Down.
All right. Defensive guys. Your eyes are not on him. You guys are not on him. They're on coach. You got it, Logan? Now watch coach right over there. You got that, Brandon? Brandon, right? Okay.
Stop!
Sorry, Grant. Straight ahead. Go, push in them. Right. Get on his right side, Logan. Left side.
Keep working this way, Logan.
Right side.
Good. Push him away, William. Push him away. Let's do it again. Come on, guys.
Switch.
You're watching coach down there. Switch. Whoever was on offense, go on offense. Whoever was on D, go on D.
You were on offense or defense last time, weren't you? They switched.
Okay, we did. Okay.
All right, ready?
Back up, guys.
Give him chop.
Move
Let's
over.
go.
Move over.
Straight ahead.
Come on, start going ahead.
Get him, Jack. Come into him, bud.
Caden, hit him.
Left.
Hit him, Justin.
Here, back. You two, back. Come here.
No, Justin, Cody. You guys go across the line.
You don't want to just let him go. Okay? Come here, Jack. Watch. Let him. Here we go. You ready? Go to the different angles, okay? I'm not just going to back up away from him like this. That doesn't do us any good, okay? Because you've got to make a stand at some point. Come back. Come on. Let's go, Jack. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Go side to side. See? I'm engaging him. Short little bursts. Okay? Do it again. Go group of three. Go out there. Come on, guys. Go out there. Group of three. Let's go.
All right, offense. Chop him. Straight ahead.
Hit him, Logan. Hard. Hit him hard, Logan.
Left.
Hard, Logan.
Lower, Caden. Lower.
Hard, Logan. Don't be afraid to hit him.
Straight.
There you go.
Good. Jack, when you're on that defense.
You guys doing okay?
Okay, go
Don't
ahead.
sit on your knees, that'll make it worse. It'll bunch your stomachs up.
So whoever's in the front of this line over here. Guys, do it.